I'll be showing you so many tricks today in this particular video, but the first trick I'm going to show you is how to remove the CapCut ending in all your videos. You know, you have to manually remove them at the ending of a video after editing, but right now I'm just going to show you how to remove the CapCut ending. So I'm going to go into my settings and you will see add default ending. Here mine is already off, so you toggle it this way. You see discard, you click discard, and now that's permanently off, and that's the first trick. One of the tricks I'm going to show you is how to add captions to your videos. Right here you click, it's right here, you click and you select any of the videos you want. I have this video I made on shorts, and that's it. You go straight to the captions without you going into your settings, and you have the captions ready. Another trick I'm going to show you is the enhance feature. Most of you don't really know this. You can actually use this for so many things, enhancing your picture quality, your skin tones, and all of that. It's right here. We go enhance and we click this video. Actually, this is a video I made on how to shoot quality videos with your phone. It's actually a YouTube short. You can go check it out. It's on my page. All right, back to business. As you can see, the enhance feature just highlighted my face. So what you can do, you can work on your skin tones. As you can see, this is incredible, really incredible. This is more like you're working on professional software. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Really nice. All right, that looks good. It has other features here. You can also add the teeth whitening feature here. What it does that it detects your teeth and makes it look nice like this. Look, teeth shining all whitey. Now another feature I'm going to show you, auto cut feature right here. What it does is simple. After selecting your videos, this feature helps you to edit it, add your background audio, your effects, and every necessary things you need to do. It comes out 100%. So I'm going to go into the auto cut right now, and we're going to select. Okay, these were the videos I used in my previous edit. Let's see how it's going to look. Click next and let it analyze. You can see that. And this is a diff template. You can also select other templates. There's another template. It takes time depending on the amount of footage you have. So it's actually adding the effects right now. Let's see how it looks at the end. And okay, that's nice. It's good. You can also replace the audio if you don't want. You can select from every other audio you have. The last one, I never knew this feature was in CapCut. Like, I wasn't really expecting it. Even it's so unimaginable. Do you know that CapCut has a teleprompter? Like, it has a prompter you can click right here. Just right here. The advantage of a teleprompter right here, it allows you to put your script into the app and you can shoot. While shooting, read your script with your screen. This is amazing. Really amazing. I know most of you don't know about this, so you're welcome. Do have to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find any of these tips useful. And please, if you have anything you want me to talk about, any tutorial, any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply you.